we're going to take a look at the iPhone's stocks application. If we open the stocks app, here we can see all the Dow Jones information for companies that we're following on the stock market. If we tap on the red square, we can change the percentage, the price, or even the percentage of the market cap. If we scroll through the cards in the bottom, here we can see all the information for the current selected company that we're following. If we tap on the other company, our cards in the lower portion of the screen will change to that company. If we hit the information button in the lower right hand corner, we can see a list of the companies that we're following. We can change the market cap, price, or percentage. We can add a company by pressing the plus button in the top right hand corner and begin searching for a company that we would like to follow. We can rearrange or delete companies from our stocks view if we'd like to as well. Once we're done, all we have to do is press done, and we'll be taken back to our stocks view where we can see all of the changes that we've made.